See, VSR, in the presentation, I had specifically given information about certain leaders associated with VSR. There are some TDP big leaders, there are some BJP leaders, and when so many leaders are associated with this company, so then there's a risk in going forward if VSR owner is taken in custody, if he is made responsible for the accident, which he is, so then he may take names of many more leaders. So that's the reason why VSR has been protected. Plus, there are certain businessmen which are associated with certain political parties. They also have planes and money invested in this particular VSR company. So that's the reason why this investigation is not going in the right direction. The minister, who's our aviation minister, is from TDP. TDP is already linked with VSR. So we feel, and plus DGCA and AIB come under the Ministry of Aviation. Now, if the minister himself is somehow linked with VSR, then how he will do proper investigation are some of our main questions. That's the reason why we feel he has no right to stay at that particular place or that particular position. That's the reason why he should resign, and this investigation should happen transparently. This is what we want.
You have spoke about shell companies in this, especially a Kolkata connection. What is that Kolkata?
See, Kolkata collection, a connection is not related to any party in Kolkata. Kolkata was known for shell company business. Shell companies are like any person from Maharashtra also, Gujarat also, Madhya Pradesh also, Andhra also. They used to use these shell companies from Kolkata, wherein cash used to be deposited with the companies, and those companies used to invest wherever, in a construction company, real estate, or now VSR is the case. So the 27 companies which are owners, or rather they have shares in VSR. These 27 companies, if you look at their balance sheets, now some of the companies are closed. Some have no activity, some are deregistered. But the premium, the money which came in these 77 companies is 886 crores, of which around 80 to 100 crores have come in VSR. So now whose money is this? How this money was invested in VSR? So if so much of money is coming through these shell companies, then definitely we feel there's big political power which is involved in VSR, which is trying to save VSR, and that power doesn't want this investigation going.